I'm back up here at the cabin again. I've had some stuff to do with work. We've had like back to work meeting and stuff like that I had to go to, and just dealing with other stuff and gathering pallets too. So anyway, I got a few pallets, and we're going to try to get a good start on these walls and try to see if we can figure out where everything's going to go. And let me turn you around here so you can see what I'm talking about. All right, if y'all seen on the last video, I put this one pallet up, and I have it actually screwed to the tree right here because I took and double checked that it was level with the level, ironically, and it is. So now I figure right about in here we're going to put a door. Okay, there we go. And I'm kind of thinking a 3-foot wide door would be pretty good. About 3 foot. And then we'll continue with the wall on over. And going from there, we'll have to cut a pallet in two right here. But well, I'll set the camera up over here, and we'll just see what we can do. Okay, I'll show you what I've got so far here. Rest of the wall, well, one layer of it. I'm gonna at least go one more taller, maybe 1.5. Kind of got an idea for a loft that will be about up here, and you'll be able to lay up here to sleep and look over the hill out some windows. But I've got a window to go in right there. And I'm thinking either here or over a little bit, I'm not sure. But I've also got one piece on the side here. So basically what we have is that so far. And this. Now I've took and made sure that it was plumb. Both walls are plumb, and I've got these 2x4s on top of here, and what that does, I screwed a 2x4 to the floor, and then screwed another board to the bottom, and that gives me a way, if it will show it, there's some screws. It gives me a way to screw the walls down, and I think it'll give a little bit more strength. And then see if I do the same thing on the one that I set up here, then it'll just tie everything together. And you can see this corner, after I've screwed into this, is good and strong. Of course, it needs more walls, but once it got that corner right there, it became a good strong structure. So I'm gonna at some time have to cut this tree, but guess I'm gonna do this side too with the 2x4 up on top, and I'll start going up with the walls. right, here we go. We've got the front wall is basically up. I'm thinking about going one more, like a half of a pallet up. So I'm gonna do a little sleeping loft up there. And also my roof, instead of being like a pitched roof like that, it's just going to be one direction like that. And in the front, I'm going to have windows across here so you can see out. And you'll be able to get up in the loft to sleep and lay up there and look out. But let's see what we got here. Okay, we've got, of course, our windows. Which the glass for the windows is actually laying over here. I don't know that I want to put those in yet. I'm afraid with all the beating and banging I'm going to be doing on this stuff, I'm afraid I'll bust one of them out or both of them out or something. So I just I built the frame around the windows and they fit. So that's what we got there. The ladder out of the way. This is the view that you're going to have out the window. I think it'll be pretty nice. And here's the door, which I may move the header down a little, you know, put another board or two across. That's a pretty tall door. I guess the door is 8 foot tall because each pallet's 4 foot tall. So that makes the door 8 foot right there. So it's an 8 foot ceiling already. And I'm going to go another 2 foot up here. I have to cut the tree first. But I'm going to go another 2 foot up. And then in the back, it's going to be a 8 foot wall. So that way I'll have the extra 2 foot for my sleeping loft up here. But I think that's going to probably do it for today. Got one brace on here. I may, if I can find some more 2x4s or something, I may put a couple of them like down there and down there just to make sure. Because that tree, it's nailed to that tree or screwed to that tree up there. It shouldn't go anywhere. It's all, well, the bottom's plumb. I still need to plumb up the top of it, but I'll get that soon enough. But anyway, I guess that's gonna probably do the little video here. I'll get a few more pallets and stuff and keep on working. I think that's gonna do it. Let me get in the front for a closing shot here. All right, need to back up more. Go over the hill. All right, there's the front. It's going to about do it for today. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.